Virtual autism, understanding the effects of excessive screen exposure on cognitive and social development. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The digital age has ushered in unprecedented technological advancements, but it has also brought forth developmental challenges, one of which is virtual autism. This phenomenon refers to autism-like symptoms emerging in young children due to excessive exposure to digital screens during critical developmental years. Unlike traditional autism spectrum disorder (ASD), virtual autism is environment-induced and often reversible with reduced screen time and increased social interactions. This paper explores the age-wise classification of symptoms of ASD and how they compare with symptoms of virtual autism. This study examines two cases of virtual autism, highlighting developmental concerns linked to excessive screen exposure and limited social interaction, emphasizing early intervention and caregiver awareness for mitigating its impact. This research follows a qualitative case study approach, utilizing two purposively selected cases of children between the ages of 3 and 4 who presented with ASD-like symptoms and had a history of excessive screen exposure. The implications of virtual autism extend beyond childhood, affecting academic performance, emotional well-being, and social adaptability. Early detection and intervention through screen time regulation, play-based learning, and parental guidance can help mitigate its effects. This study emphasizes the urgent need for awareness and intervention to safeguard the neurodevelopment of children in the digital age. Introduction. Autism spectrum disorders (ASD) are a group of conditions that affect how people communicate, interact socially, and respond to the world around them. People with autism may have trouble switching between tasks, focus intensely on certain interests, or react differently to sights, sounds, or touch. Each person's experience with autism is different, some live independently, while others need lifelong support. While research has explored areas like emotional regulation and biology, less attention has been given to how social attitudes and support systems affect the lives of autistic individuals and their families. Many families face ongoing stress, and there is a lack of practical help to support their well-being. This study looks at how emotional, social, and institutional support can improve life outcomes for people with autism of all ages. The goal is to promote inclusion, develop better support strategies, and inform policies that help autistic individuals and their caregivers thrive. Conclusion. Virtual autism is a growing concern in today's tech-heavy world, especially for young children. It refers to developmental delays such as speech issues, trouble focusing, and social withdrawal caused by too much screen time. While these symptoms may look like autism spectrum disorder (ASD), virtual autism is not genetic and can often be reversed if caught early. To reduce this risk, parents and caregivers should limit screen time, especially for children under age 3, and focus on real-life activities like outdoor play, reading, and social interaction. When screens are used, choosing educational content and watching together can make a big difference. Creating tech-free zones during meals and bedtime also helps with sleep and family bonding. Although screens are part of modern life, balancing digital use with hands-on experiences supports healthier brain development and emotional growth in children. Taking simple steps now can help prevent long-term issues linked to excessive screen exposure. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.